Hey, what's up, XI Infinity coin holder, my friend? This time, XI Infinity will completely falls down in last 24 hour, minus 6.05% loss now. So we will predicate this coin, my brother, and definitely I will give you, my friend, the advice. And please remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you. So please research personally before you take any decision. But must watch this video, my brother. Please, this is very important for all of you now. Please. All right, this time USD price, my friend, XI Infinity price is 42.74 USD, my friend. And this time, as you can see here, the BTC my friend, 0.000984 BTC, my brother. This is the latest price of XI Infinity, and definitely, my friend, the rank is also increasing now, 54, and the market cap, you can see 2 billion. The 24-hour volume is 9 million, and my friend, you can see a circulating supply 55 million, max supply 2 billion 70 million, and you can see distribution as 20.47. It's a very low, my brother, but I hope the distribution will be also increasing now. So the current condition, as you can see, my brother, 52.15 USD dollar. This is the highest price, but the price is very badly falls down, my brother. You can see here the price is very badly falls down, 52 to 42. This is, my friends, 10 USD dollars they will lost now, my brother. It's a very bad, but in last 1 month they will again recover it, and you can see, as you can see, my brother, this time 127.65% the price is increased. So I think this is very good, my friend, and absolutely they will give you a profit. They will make you a millionaire now. But if you are stop selling, if you are starting holding now, so hold it, don't sell it, and I hope, my brothers, they will give you a profit. See you next time, holder. My prediction is going to be positive now, and my opinion is to please hold it. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box, and please like video, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please, my brother, press the bell icon for videos notification. My prediction is going to be positive now. If you have any question, please, Instagram links, Twitter links, every links, my friend, available on my channel. Go now, check out, my friend, and personally message me. I will chat you. If you have any question, ask me. So without any rest, my brothers, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.